Asrotex Group is a leading apparel and textile manufacturing company with a diverse portfolio of businesses, generating an annual revenue of $300 million. Asrotex Group is recognized as the country's most prominent and reputable apparel and textile manufacturing company, with its headquarters in Dhaka, a design office in Europe, and manufacturing units in Gazipur and Narayanganj Industrial Belt. The group boasts 4 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, employing over 12,000 people, engaged in various operations such as knitting, dyeing, finishing, printing, embroidery, trims, and accessories. Asrotex Group has come a long way from being just a small cut and sew unit to a well-established industry leader, striving every day to bring excellence to its operations. Asrotex Group is focused on leveraging technological disruption to enhance its shop floor operations. The company has installed paddle semi-automated and IoT-embedded sewing machinery, IoT-embedded knitting and dyeing machineries, AGVS, and robo-arms for material handling. Asrotex Group also uses smart planning tools and AI-backed design tools to manufacture the finest products. Through its innovative use of technology and continuous improvement of its manufacturing processes, Asrotex Group has positioned itself as a leader in the textile and apparel industry. The company is committed to delivering exceptional products and services that exceed its clients' expectations, while at the same time, contributing to the growth and development of the textile and apparel sector in the country. MD Asadul Islam is the co-founder and managing director of Asrotex Group, a leading apparel and textile manufacturing company in Bangladesh. He has played a crucial role in nurturing the company to become one of the most recognized design-to-delivery solution providers for global fashion brands. Asad's journey as an entrepreneur started in 1995 when he founded a small carton manufacturing unit. He then ventured into the apparel and textile business, merged businesses with his brothers, and established Asrotex Group in 2000. He has also invested in the IT and real estate industries and founded Logic Software Ltd, a leading ERP solution provider for the textile and apparel industry in Bangladesh, and Standard Holdings Ltd, an emerging real estate company. Under Asad's leadership, Asrotex Group is undergoing a transformational journey, moving away from its family-driven business model to a more professional and tech-savvy approach. He is paving the way for the next generation of employees to take the lead in developing the organization's competency to face upcoming disruptions and creating opportunities within challenges. Asad is optimistic about the potential of Asrotex Group and aims to achieve a turnover of $500 million by 2025. His vision and leadership have positioned Asrotex Group as a leader in the apparel and textile industry, and the company is well equipped to face the challenges of the future while maintaining its commitment to delivering exceptional products and services.